Okay, this is the last unboxing of the day. I had three that I had to do because I haven't been here in a while. And the reason is twofold. I had cataract surgery and I'm all good and I can see wonderfully well. And the second thing is Hurricane Lane. I live in Hawaii, so we had that come through. And now it's just a depression, but it was a scary one. And just getting a lot of rain. So anyway, this one is from Fat Quarter Shop. It is the Holiday Fat Quarter Club, and I'll put all the information below in the description. But it cost me $29.98 per month and $4.95 shipping. So let's get into it. So it's called overnight delivery, which I believe is Christmas. And it has 12 fat quarters. They seem to be more on the darker side. So let's see what we get. Get that out of the way so the glare is gone. And I usually like to go this way. Open it up. So this one, the first one is called, oh, there's no name, I apologize, but it's a dark blue with white lettering and green big letters on the back. This is really nice. I like it. And let me open it up so we can, hope you can see. And then, so it's going from dark to light. So that's the first one. And then we have a black background with small spatters of white with white polka dots. That's the second. And then now we're at the red. So this is like a red gingham with black. This is red background with Santa's Workshop and North Pole. So just little words and designs regarding to, it looks like postage stamps, sort of. Third one is red background. Same as the blue, except it's red background with the dots. This one is the same airmail postage stamps, but in the green background. Oh, this is beautiful. Has like branches, white branches on a green background. I really like that one. And then black and white gingham, checkers. And this is a plaid, really nice. I like this plaid. And this is a plaid with red, green, and white. This one is black, green, and white. And this is the same thing with Hope, Joy, Peace on a white background with black letters. And this one says, oh, this is cute. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Red, white background with black words. So that's really cute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is what I got, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.